Maybe you're in the situation where you have to put in contact lenses for the first time in your life and you actually don't know how to do it and how to put them in your eye and how to take them out of your eye. And this is exactly what we will do today. So I will show you how I do it. I did it a lot for patients, but I never did it myself. So I will try to put in the contact lenses and take them out. But because I'm not so experienced in this area, I put someone with me today who is very experienced. It's Janina. Janina has formerly used a lot of contact lenses. She was lasered before, so she doesn't need it anymore, but I'm sure she still knows how to do it, and she will show us then how we do it correctly. So let's go to the theory. The first thing what you have to do, I think, Janina, and you agree with me, we have to clearly wash our hands so that they are really clean before we touch any contact lenses, because we are getting with the contact lenses in our eyes, and if there are any kind of bacteria on them, you will get the infection on your eyes and you can get a severe infection actually. So it's very, very important that you make a clear cleaning of your hands. You have to trust me that I did it before. And now we get to the second step, and this is something which I do for the first time on my own. I did it a lot for patients, as I said. We'll try to take out the contact lens.
We'll do it together, or?
I will try, and you will then do it correctly. Okay, so I think it's actually quite difficult. So, okay, so I've got the contact lens here. I put them with the surface looking up, so you see there is like a clear dimension, and you can see like the shape of the contact lens. And now I try to put it on my eye, and the way I do it is I take my middle finger and I will look up. I pull my lid down, and I will try to put the contact lens on my sclera. I don't know, is it inside?
Yes.
Oh man, this is wow! But this is really actually very, very irritating. So because for me it's the first time you see like my cornea is not used to having got something in your eye. I think Janina will show us how to do it. Actually, Janina, you can put it in. Now we'll see Janina do it the same way. So pull down your eyelid, look up, pull it on your lens.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so we achieved this part, both of us, but I have to say, like, because for me it's the first time I've got this in my eyes, I already feel like it's really irritating. I think this is normal for the first time, right? If you've got such a situation. So now let's go to the, imagine we had our lens all the day in our eyes, which I cannot imagine right now because it's so irritating to me. Then again, washing your hands very, very thoroughly and taking out the lens. Here you have to do basically the same procedure again. So we look up, we pull our lid down, and we try to grab the contact lens with two fingers. This worked quite well.
Great.
Yeah, okay. For the first
Better
time.
than the first one.
So, and now it's actually a very crucial part. When you take out the contact lens, not everyone does it, but it's very important that you use specific cleaning solutions for cleaning the contact lens before you put them back in this little thing. So you clean it with your finger, yeah, so I put some solutions on it, I clean it with my finger, and then we put it into the specific container for the specific eye. So you can use it for the left eye and for the right eye, because you might have got different powers of the contact lenses. So it is important to use the correct one. And then you use some solution, which is specifically for preserving the contact lens basically overnight. You just put them inside after cleaning. Leave them just inside this, I think you do it just like this. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, that's okay. So now it's fully covered in the fluid, and then you just close it. The one thing I think which is important to say about the contact lenses, you should try to get those which have got, which are very, very permeable to gas. Yeah, because the better the oxygen gets to your cornea, the less likely it is that you will have got issues with your cornea if you wear contact lenses for a long time. The other questions which I get from many people who are using contact lenses for the first time is whether the contact lenses can go behind their eyes. I think maybe this was a question which you also maybe had before you put in the first time the contact lenses.
No.
It was never I can assure you there are patients.
But the most people.
Yeah, they've got this concern,
Yes.
right? They've got this concern that whether a contact lens can get behind your eye, and even maybe, and I was asked this actually a couple of times, get close to your brain. So I've got good news regarding this concern. It is impossible, and I will show you now why this is impossible. Because when we look at the anatomy of the eye, you see here is your lid, and below your lid there is a margin. Yeah, so you cannot get, your conjunctiva is basically preventing any kind of foreign body to get behind your eyeballs. This part is completely closed and fixed to your eyeball so that it is impossible to get behind your eye. If you have got a contact lens which you have lost in your eye, because this can actually happen, just look all the way down. They are usually somewhere here. You can look all the way down, maybe even get the help of someone who then pulls it out from the upper part of your eye. If you still don't feel like safe with this or secure with this procedure, you should go to an ophthalmologist and he will take it out immediately. It's really no problem and nothing which should be of concern. So I hope this video helped you. It is something which I think most of us think like, okay, it's so easy because millions of people are doing it every day. But as I saw it now in my own example, it is actually not as easy as one might think. And there are specific things which you need to consider. Most importantly, washing your hands very, very thoroughly, pulling your lid margin down, looking up, putting it in, and the same procedure basically is the other way around when you want to take it out. I hope this video helped you. Thank you very much, Janina, for supporting us today and to showing us how an expert does it. And if you've got any comments or have got any further questions regarding this, please do not hesitate to write it down in the comment section. Thanks a lot for your watching this video.
Sure, because I thought this was the wrong side, but
Okay.
maybe I